Here, we will introduce some points to note when handling grindstones. Grindstones are substances which may break. 3 principles for handling of grindstones. Do not roll, do not drop, do not hit are important to handle grindstones. Always inspect the grindstone before use. Carry out a visual inspection and a hammering test of the grindstone for cracks, chips, scratches, distortions, etc. When using a grindstone, please observe these points, such as attaching a grindstone cover. Replacement of grindstones and commissioning at the time of replacement are performed by a person who has received the safety and health special education. Be sure to test run a grindstone. Make sure that the maximum allowable speed and dimensions displayed on the grindstone match the machine. When using a disc grinder, wear safety glasses. For dusty work, use a dust respirator. Wear ear protection devices, such as earplugs, when working in the noisy environment. Do not wear work gloves. Wear gloves that are not likely to get caught in the machinery, such as leather gloves. Observe these points to prevent the grindstone from fragmenting. It is prohibited to use other than the surface specified for each grindstone shape. Please observe the following points to prevent accidents from occurring, such as contact, entanglement, and electric shock. Make sure that the grindstone is completely stopped before placing it on a table. A grindstone should be used at the angle within 30 degrees to a horizontal plane. When a grindstone is new, pull the disc grinder when grinding. Thoroughly cover the electric-related parts to prevent electric shock. Be careful of water leakage from a grindstone. Do not attach circular saw teeth to the disc grinder. Never remove a grindstone cover. When changing the grindstone, please observe the following points. Pull out a power plug when changing grindstones. Let's use an accessory tool to attach and detach a grindstone. Tighten a protective grindstone cover sufficiently.